Hello and welcome to the AI Academy. If you're new to artificial intelligence and feel overwhelmed, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Gemini AI step by step in the simplest way possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to open Gemini, explore its features, and create your first AI task confidently. Let's get started. First, open Gemini in your browser and log in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. At the center, you'll find the chat area. This is where you type your prompts and interact with the AI. On the side, you may see options like previous chats or settings. These help you organize your conversations and adjust preferences. Take a moment to look around. The layout is simple and beginner-friendly. Now let's create your first AI task. In the chat box, type a simple prompt. For example, write a professional email asking for an internship opportunity. Then press enter and wait a few seconds. You'll see Gemini generate a complete response almost instantly. This is the power of AI. It takes your instructions and turns them into useful content. Here's something very important. The quality of your result depends on the clarity of your prompt. Instead of writing something vague like write email, be specific. For example, you can say, write a polite and professional email asking a marketing company for a summer internship. Keep it under 150 words. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. Now let's explore another simple example. You can ask Gemini to summarize a long article. Just paste the text and write. Summarize this in 5 bullet points. Within seconds, it will break everything down into a clear summary. This is extremely useful for students, researchers, and busy professionals. But remember, always double-check the output before submitting assignments or important work. AI is powerful, but you're still responsible for reviewing the content. Here are 3 quick beginner tips to get better results with Gemini. First, be clear and specific with your instructions. Second, experiment with different wording if you don't like the first result. Third, treat AI like a smart assistant. Guide it properly and refine the response when needed. These small adjustments make a big difference. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. You learned how to open Gemini and log in. You explored the dashboard and main chat interface. You created your first AI task. And you learned how to improve results using better prompts. That's all you need to start using Gemini confidently. Artificial intelligence doesn't have to be complicated. With the right guidance and simple steps, anyone can learn how to use these tools effectively. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Easy AI Academy for more simple AI tutorials designed specifically for beginners. Watch the next video on your screen to continue learning. And I'll see you in the next lesson.